Development tools. A development tool is a piece of software that automates certain aspects of the software development process and makes developing software more efficient. There are many different types of such tools. These days, Integrated Development Environment (IDE) is widely used as a development tool which combines editors, debuggers, and other tools into a single package. One. Design support tools. These tools help in the software design process. For example, there are business operations modeling tools that help to develop a model of the work that is to be systematized, or data modeling tools that create a model of work-oriented data. Case. Computer-aided software engineering tools are also considered design support tools. 2. Testing tool. A testing tool is software that helps automate parts of the testing process and makes testing more efficient. A debugger is considered a type of testing tool. There are now testing tools that will automatically launch a piece of software that has been developed, check the functionality of its screen, and test that the software is functioning to a satisfactory level. 3. Emulator. An emulator is software that has the ability to reproduce the functions of a CPU on another type of system and can run software designed for that CPU, including operating systems. Macintosh computers currently have the ability to run some Windows-based software. The software used to enable this is a type of emulator. 4. Simulator. A simulator is a piece of software or hardware used when an actual test cannot be performed due to cost or safety issues to build a virtual model and ultimately perform a mock-up experiment using that model. The actual experiment itself is called a simulation. 5. ICE. ICE, in-circuit emulator, is a debugger used when developing microcomputer systems. ICE is a registered trademark of Intel and can perform software debugging as well as checks to ensure that hardware is operating properly. By inserting a connector into the CPU socket of the microcomputer's circuit board, the microprocessor's functions can be emulated to further support the debugging process. 6. Tracer. This tool outputs the contents of each instruction and the results of their execution in the order that they are executed by the program. Tracers are used to debug programs, to analyze failures, and to analyze performance issues. 7. Inspector. This type of tool allows a developer to view the data structures and their values within a program while programming or debugging. 8. Snapshot. This is a tool that will find and store the contents of the main memory of a program in development, data files currently in use, and/or other such information to the hard disk at a specified time or interval.